Come on along. All right, boys and girls, we're back for another edition of Kohler issues. I gotta make some more coffee because coffee is good for you. Keeps you rolling all day long and all night long. Gonna snow tonight. First time this year. Haven't made no damn extra money snow plowing. So anyways, I gotta bring you back for that Miller is working like a top, except it runs itself out of fuel. So I gotta go through the fuel system. It just runs like a top and all of a sudden bleh, quits. I checked I got a light there to make sure the kill switch ain't dying, to kill the engine. So I got the little light there. It just dies. It's out of fuel. It's gotta be. There's no other explanation. I ran it yesterday for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden it just quit. It quit, just like that. So this morning I got here and I'm like, messing around. Did it again. It'll start right back up. Does it again. I'm guessing. I was talking to one of my buds. I have friends, more than one. Guy from out in Jersey out there, Beauchamp. I think that's, he has to correct me on that, but he claimed that, and I believe him because he's older than me, and he's been around longer than I, and he claimed that these white plastic fuel tanks, that ethanol and stuff gets to them and they start delaminating inside, and they don't tell you that. So we're going to find out. I know it's got a fuel filter, but I'm going to go through and replace all the hose just in case. And then I know there was a little, here I'm holding my coffee pot, but I know there's a little, couple of little dry rot cracks in this. So make sure all the vacuum tubes and all the stuff for the crankcase breather are all replaced, because they are, you touch them with your fingers and they just disintegrate. High heat will do that. All right, well, join me. Hopefully, I'm going to go through this too. These things have an electric fuel pump and a diaphragm pump. I don't know if they can't keep up, that they use these to lift it. I don't know, but my suspect is this thing is probably plugged full of stuff, and the pickup is probably plugged, because when I'm running this full tilt, this drains right down. This fuel filter, I can tip it down while it's running, it'll pick up and fill. There's never always completely full, at least I don't think so, but she'll start sucking right down. So she's just running out of fuel. It's gotta be. I swapped other stuff. I thought the little stepper motor would be bad. This is the power, the control box from that one. I did that this morning just to rule all that other electronic shit out. And then, like I said, I put the test light in here to make sure I got power to the fuel shut off, which opens when you have power there. And so here we are again. I'm still gonna win. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna win. I always do. Sometimes I'm just a little bit slower than other guys, but never stop wanting to learn, man. Never stop. let's see, that was 24 minutes of runtime. So I'll edit that part out, but I had to sit there and watch it and time it, and it's been running for 24 minutes. Wide F and open, WFO for really fast, okay? Really fast, Elma Fudd would say, really fast. So yeah, yesterday's video, I had it all done. The coils were great. Ran better than it ever did, but then after I got done shooting the video, I was testing it, and then all of a sudden, bleh, she just died. She died. She'd fire right back up. Like, I didn't have to choke it, but it backfired once, and it would fire right up. And then me and Uncle Tony were talking today, and we were talking about plastic tanks and delaminating and weird shit in the fuel. And I told you we had water in it last week or whatever. And so I ran over to the automotive stall and got me some, I ran out of quarter-inch fuel line, and I had some 316, so I redid all the vacuum lines going to that little diaphragm pump. Yeah, I'll show you. My back is out too. Ouch. Too much bench work today. Can't stand still. So I cleaned and put all new fuel line everywhere. Vacuum line. There was a slit or two right up here. I think from us taking it on and off so many times. So I don't know if it was sucking air right there. You would think there'd be enough pressure to continue to fill that, but seeing it's above the tank, that electric fuel pump plus the diaphragm pump, I don't quite get that, but sucks a lot of fuel, so to speak. New filter. I even took the pickup tube out of the tank, and like I said, it just ran for 4 minutes, and it didn't hiccup a bit. So now tomorrow I can put I'm going to change the oil while she's hot. Tomorrow I can put the compressor back together, put the wall of death in there, whatever you call it. It separates the compressor compartment from this. I had to take it out to get at the motor. I'm a motor grader operator. Another one of Pat Berg's sayings, or Bucky, a guy that used to work down the road, Bucky. He's passed on now, but they would say motor grader operator. I'm a motor grader operator. Too many exhaust fumes in here. Anyway, so that's the second version of it. Now she's good. Mike won again. That's all I can say. You guys have a great day, and we'll go from there. Next you'll see, sure, you know, I should paint all the rusty stuff while it's apart. Take your time, do it right. Okay, see you later.